Now, let me show you how you can resize the iPhone screen. So if you're new on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get us started. So right now you can see that it kind of all looks normal to a degree, but if I open some apps, everything is kind of large, right? Like the icons are pretty big. Everything is seemingly really large, right? And in order to change that, you have to go to the settings and find the display and brightness. And at the bottom, we have the display zoom. And this is probably what you are referring to, because we have two options. One where everything is kind of larger, and it's called larger text, but it doesn't apply to text only, as even the text bubbles and the icons and everything gets larger, right? Even on home screen. So depends on which one you like. Obviously pick whatever you want, but if you want to change it and resize the iPhone, choose one or the other, and it's going to make some changes, right? So as you can see, I'm going to switch it back to the default. It takes a while to restart and set that up, but right now everything is going to look a little bit different. You can see it's much smaller inside of the apps, and that's like the way to resize everything on the screen. You can also see that the icons on my home screen are kind of large as well. You can also make some changes to it. So if you hold down on the home screen and click on edit like this and customize, you'll have the ability to switch from the larger icons to the smaller and so on, which kind of depends on your preference, obviously, but that's how you can also resize the screen in terms of the size of the icons. And one last thing which I wanted to show you is the text size, which can be found inside of the accessibility. And you can see the display and a text size, and you have the options to kind of like make things larger, right? Make the text bolder, right? And so on, right? You can bump up the text as such. So this is going to give you yet another option to resize the text and everything written on the screen. So I hope that I was able to guide you through it. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below. I'm going to wrap it up, and I'll talk to you later in the future uploads.